here we need to create a folder name models. Here we need to specify a pin model. Let's create pin.js file. Here we need to specify a model which will represent a table of a database, so that here we can query this table like as table. It's non-relational table. Is here specifying the mongoose, the database to connect, so that we can create this model schema in the MongoDB database. So variable schema, we are specifying mongoose dot schema. This object we are initializing and storing it schema variable. So here variable pin schema, this variable equal new, this schema we will be using bracket parentheses. So column, you can see title as string. So normally in a pin we will see title, description, path, like image path, username, who the user creating this pin. So this path is string. Here is save. That pin is saved by user or not. This data type is boolean. So these are the column values we will see in the pin table. Module.exports equal mongoose.model. So when the database will be connected, this pin model will be generated in the database. This you can think as pin table, which has 4 columns. Title, desk, path is same. We are passing pin schema object so that it can detect and create that DB object for us. Let's specify title here and inside for attribute, and label is title, title colon. Then the second column desk. Let's copy and paste in the name and in the for attribute. And inside this should be text area, not text box, because text description need to be right. So many things need to be specified inside a description panel. So copy this text area and paste at the end tag, and this description label need to be specified here, description and colon. And third column is path. We forgot to write another column, I think. Let's see this file. Yes, we need another field which is username, and this field also represent as a string data type. Copy this username and paste it in name field, name attribute, and inside for attribute, and the label is created by who the user is creating this pin actually. So need to specify path for to upload file to browse. Let's type equal file so that we can browse any file, and no need here. This file is mandatory, so specifying required so that before submitting it can check the file you specified or not. No need class form control. Here need to specify name equal sample file upload. Let's write this name, copy this name and place it inside for attribute, and label is image path. Okay, colon. Okay, that's it. So when the database will be connected, this pin will be generated. Let's refresh this page. Here is our print creation page. Looks almost good. Need to specify margin. Let's go to layout and find out render body section. Let's wrap this render body inside div tag. Let's write div and class will be container. Let's specify a margin, style margin 20 pixel. Yes. Okay, let's place this render body section inside this div tag. Okay, let's format a little bit. Let's refresh this page. Oh, the header we cannot see because top navigation bar is fixed. Let's remove the fixed top class from the top navigation bar, then refresh. Now it's okay. Now this almost okay, good.